How to add ringtone in iPhone. Adding a ringtone to your iPhone lets you personalize your device and choose a sound that suits your style, making it easier to identify your incoming calls and giving your phone a unique touch. So let me show you first what I'm talking about. If I'm going to open my settings, go to sounds and haptics, you will see here that under ringtones it says there project new iPhone ringtone. That is actually the new ringtone that I have added recently. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to go to our app store and we're going to just download few applications for us. So the one that I'm using now is GarageBand and Ringtone Maker. So you're going to want to download these two applications. Now another thing is you're going to want to open TikTok. And then from here, I'm just going to basically download any kind of music that I want. Say for example, this one, I'm just going to long press here. And there you go, I can hit save video. Now the next thing that you are going to do is you want to open your ringtone maker, and then from here you're just going to click the plus sign down below, and from here there are actually a few ways where you can import video from. We have first option there, import from video, PC, and we also have here. So in my case, I'm just going to use the first option, import from video. So there you go, now we have added a video. Now you can just click there in order for you to basically just cut this into parts. Say for example, I'm going to cut it here and I'm going to press done. So there you go. As you can see there is a new project. You can rename this one by tapping here, or you can just basically proceed by clicking make. So that's what we're going to do. And then as you can see, we have here GarageBand. Again, GarageBand is very important for this process, so we're going to click that one. Now after doing so, please take note that your phone is going to turn horizontal like this. Now from this point forward, all you have to do is just long press that particular video that you've added. We're going to click share, and there you go, it says there ringtone. Tap on that. Now you can rename this however you want, so I'm just going to type here cutie, and then I'm going to click export, and then we're going to click this here, use sound as, okay, standard ringtone, and then we're going to try to go back here. So we're going to open sounds and haptics once again, and there you go. You should be able to see there under the ringtone that it is now been called cutie. Congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to add ringtone in your iPhone. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like.